Ever feel like you're drowning in receipts and tax forms? You're not alone. Keeping your finances organized as a freelancer or self-employed individual is a whole different ballgame. But fear not, warriors of the solo hustle. Accounting software like QuickBooks can be a lifesaver. However, with QuickBooks offering two different options, self-employed and online, choosing the right one can be a puzzle. So, in this video, we'll be throwing these two accounting contenders in the ring to see which one reigns supreme for your self-employed needs. Designed for you. The core differences. Let's start with the most crucial difference. Who are these products built for? QuickBooks Online is designed for small businesses with a broader range of needs. It can handle multiple employees, complex inventory systems, and even integrates with online stores. On the other hand, QuickBooks Self-Employed keeps things laser-focused on freelancers and solopreneurs. It streamlines income and expense tracking, boasts mileage tracking for those constantly on the go, and even offers features to help maximize tax deductions, a freelancer's best friend. Features. Deep dive into the toolbox. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the features. QuickBooks Online offers a comprehensive toolbox. You can manage bills and vendors, send invoices, track inventory, and even run payroll if you have employees. It also provides in-depth reports like sales breakdowns and profitability analyses, giving you a clear view of your business health. QuickBooks Self-Employed keeps things a bit simpler. You get solid income and expense tracking, the ever-important mileage tracking, and the ability to categorize expenses for tax purposes. It also generates basic reports like profit and loss statements, but the focus here is more on keeping your finances organized and tax-ready. Tax time warriors. Simplifying the dreaded season, tax season. Just the mention of it sends shivers down many a freelancer's spine. But both QuickBooks options can help ease the pain. QuickBooks Online can categorize your self-employment income and expenses, making it easier to fill out your tax forms. Plus, it integrates with popular tax software, streamlining the filing process. QuickBooks Self-Employed goes a step further. It estimates your quarterly taxes throughout the year, so you're never caught off guard come tax season. It also categorizes your income and expenses specifically for Schedule C filers, making it a breeze to fill out your tax forms. The cost factor. How much does this peace of mind cost? Now, let's talk about the bottom line pricing. QuickBooks Online has a tiered pricing structure, with plans catering to businesses of different sizes and needs. This means the cost can vary depending on your specific requirements. QuickBooks Self-Employed offers a single, flat-rate subscription fee, making it a more predictable expense. It's also generally more affordable than the basic plans of QuickBooks Online. So, which one should you choose? Here's the lowdown. Go for QuickBooks Online if you have a growing business with employees. You need advanced features like inventory management and payroll. You crave in-depth reports for comprehensive business analysis. QuickBooks Self-Employed is your champion if you're a freelancer or solopreneur with basic accounting needs. You prioritize mileage tracking and tax-focused features. You appreciate a user-friendly interface with a fixed monthly cost. Remember, the best choice depends on your specific needs and business goals. If you're still unsure, both QuickBooks options offer free trials. Take advantage of them, explore the features, and see which one feels like the perfect fit for your freelance or self-employed journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.